DIYers, what's going on, Whiteboards? With the Whiteboards channel. Thank you for watching. We're working on a dishwasher today. In the event that you had something plastic inside your dishwasher while it was running its cycle, fall onto the hot heating element and melt, and then leave basically melted plastic stuck to the inside of your dishwasher, we're going to show you how to get that off. Let's get started. All right, DIYers, inside the kitchen now. Here's our Whirlpool dishwasher, and what we'll do first is open it up. And you can see right down at the very bottom underneath the heating element area is melted plastic. And again, we're going to show you how to get that off. We are going to remove the lower basket carefully and just pull it out, grab it with both hands and set it in a safe location. Lower basket is removed. Again, just be careful. It should come out just by sliding it on its wheels in the outward position. Got it up on the island. And we are going to use a plastic scraper. In the event that you use a scraper like this, well, chances are you could run into scraping and damaging the inner portion of your dishwasher, and that's not what you want. Again, plastic, and we're going to scrape away that melted plastic. At this point, I've got the camera positioned, and again, this is the heating element. Stay away from that. Do not harm or damage that. And again, plastic scraper only. And we're just going to carefully apply some friendly pressure and scrape the melted plastic away. And then what we'll do is vacuum it up. Making progress, you might need to come from the other side just to get the rest of it off. Next, grab a vacuum and vacuum it up. At this point, DIYers, as you can see, we got the bulk of the melted plastic removed, and I'll show you what to do next. Grab some Goof Off. And again, just apply some friendly pressure. DIYers, as you can see, that Goof Off definitely did the trick. And I highly recommend wearing safety gloves when you are applying that Goof Off. You don't want that on your skin. And DIYers, check this out from the top view. As you can see, a big difference. And go right to the Goof Off. That is what did it. That Goof Off breaks up really a lot of things. In our case, melted dried plastic inside our dishwasher. And check this out. One of those is what fell onto the heating element and began to melt. Well, I should have showed you what it looked like after it melted, but it was pretty bad. Again, this is not the one that fell on the heating element. The one that did was in very bad shape and went straight to the garbage. And down below in the comment section, as well as the description section, will be a link on where to purchase Goof Off. Again, an incredible product. And from here, I'm just looking all inside the dishwasher and to the back grate or drain. Double check you have no melted plastic, and if you do, get that off there. And all I'll do from here is reinsert the basket of dishes. And personal preference from here, we are going to run the same dishes in a second cycle because there was a pretty bad odor coming from the dishwasher because of that melted plastic. So again, DIYers, we hope this helps. Hey, do us a favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. DIYers, hey, check this out. If you're still watching, this is what my wife gave me the green light on. Bring the jet ski inside for the winter for DIY project videos. This is my mom and dad's jet ski. And we've got a lot of plans with it. And there's the workstation, as you see there. Always, 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 always busy. Thanks again for watching.